Hi, this is Cloud Acropolis team. In this video, we're going to have a brief introduction to one of our popular solutions, which is Tally on Cloud. Cloud Acropolis is one of the only companies in the GCC that is providing the most popular financing software in the region called Tally ERP version 9. As many of the companies are already using Tally ERP for their day-to-day finance management, they are all using it on-premise in an unsecure way. We are bringing a huge value with hosting the Tally on our cloud. There are already lots of information on our website explaining the advantages of using Tally in cloud compared to Tally on the desktop. Just to mention a few of them, the most important one is the enhanced security with managed login, encryption, and enterprise firewall on our data center. Then you will have the cost. You will save lots of money since you don't need to purchase a license, server hardware, and hire IT professionals to maintain them for you. You just need to pay for each user on a monthly basis. You will also benefit from our always on cloud and high availability. You will have extra peace of mind with our reliable backup and confidentiality. As I mentioned, these are all just a few advantages of our Tally on Cloud, and you can still visit our website to see a full list of features and comparison. But one of the main concerns about the cloud services is the security. And the question is, how secure is our Tally on Cloud? We are going to share our high-level Tally architecture, which describes how serious are we about our service security and availability. As you can see here, we have designed a virtual data center to isolate and segregate the entire application infrastructure. Starting from the top, as shown, our data center is connected to all telecom operators, meaning that we have full high availability in our network and a failure in one of the operators cannot affect our service. Then we have the first layer of our defense, which is an enterprise firewall and intrusion detection and prevention system. These security appliances are protecting our servers and network from thousands of different network and web-based attacks, such as DOS or denial of service. After we have filtered the traffic and made sure it is clean to get the service from our servers, then we have our load balancers, which picks the request and distribute them among several servers. By distributing the traffic between servers, we make sure that all of our customers will experience a smooth and fast service. This also takes care of failover whenever one of the servers fails to serve the request. After the traffic got into our web server, it's the customer turn to enter its username and password to get authenticated and authorized to access the Tally server, which is the application server. As you can see here, there is an extra level of firewall, which again checks the traffic and several parameters to ensure that only valid requests come through. Even when you, as the authenticated user, access the Tally server, you don't have direct access to the database and main files containing the critical financial data. We have put all the critical data behind another firewall and completely isolated so they can only be accessed through the application and after an extra level of authorization. And since the Tally on the cloud is a fully managed service, there we have Cloud Acropolis technical experts who manage the whole infrastructure to ensure all the operating systems are getting the latest security patches. They are all being regularly scanned with an antivirus, and all the data is being backed up and stored on both on-site and off-site location. So these are all the things which are actually happening without you seeing them. We have designed this complex architecture to make sure the security of our users' data. But that doesn't mean that our users have to deal with all of these complexities. Actually, we have tried to make it as simple as possible for our users to connect and use the Tally. All you need to do is to open your browser in any Windows-based computer and go to the address https tally.cloudacropolis.com/rdweb. Then you will see our login page, which will ask you for your username and password. I'm entering here a demo username and password just to show you how easy it is to use our Tally on the cloud. Just to mention, all the usernames should start with cloudacropolis.com/, which is our domain name in our cloud-based directory service. Before I logged in, as you can see, all the connection between my browser and endpoint server are being encrypted and secure using the HTTPS protocol. After logging in, all you have to do is to click on Tally icon. This will download a simple file with RDP suffix. Now you have to run the file and maybe enter your credential again for extra authentication. For the first time, it takes a little longer to load the application, and now you will see Tally interface. Basically, you're running Tally on cloud without even having Tally software installed on your computer. This window is opening through our cloud server, and all of your connection securely being established with the server. You're actually not saving any financing data on your own computer, and everything is being saved in our cloud. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was Cloud Acropolis team, your true Omani cloud partner. Please refer to our website cloudacropolis.com for more information. You can also email us at info@cloudacropolis.com or join our LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter account. You can also directly chat with our engineers to understand our offering as well as strategies.